Ari, what'd you get?
Did you get a house?
What'd you get?
Is that fun? Do you like that?
What's that? What is that?
Because she's been playing in the big houses.
Yeah.
Oops, careful. Yeah, you go through the hole. Yeah. It's a good old-fashioned one. It doesn't make music. It doesn't talk to you. What do you think? She's checking it out. Is that fun?
What's that?
In the summer you can put it out in the yard.
Mm-hmm.
Come on the slide. See the slide? It's a slide. It's a slide for Ari. Here, I'll show you how. Here. Come in.
Lumpy.
Woo! Is that fun? Through the hole. Go through the hole. See the hole? Here. All right, you can crawl through it. Look, you forget because you've walked now. Woo!
Ah.
Yeah. You want to go on the slide again? Here we go. Woo!
Steve, could you hold Lumpy?
Let me turn Rebecca's room. Is that fun? Is that fun? Want to do the slide again? She likes that slide. She's going to do it by herself. Careful.
Whoa.
Does she need help or will she just go down on her tummy?
Whatever happens, I don't know.
She'll figure it out.
It's not that far.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's
very
one
good
way to
job.
do it.
That's a good way to go down the slide. Yeah, that is a good way. Hmm? Oh, you want to come up here? Hmm? You want to go down the slide the other way? Hmm? Yeah, okay. Whoops. Okay, hold on. And here we go.